So in today's video, we are doing cylinder head removal. I've never ever removed a cylinder head off of anything before, so this should get interesting. Step 1, remove exhaust pipe. Exhaust removed. Step 2, remove carburetor. Next step, drain engine coolant. So, step 4, remove upper engine mounting bracket. There she is. Oh, she don't want to move. There's the deluxe bottle. See, it's got the little squibbity whoopity thing where you can just stick it wherever you'd like. Stick it wherever you like. Yep, it's moving, but it's moving on the other side too. So this always spins, right? I'm gonna get on the other side and it's gonna spin upwards and it's gonna hit the frame and then it's gonna stay still. Let's see if it works. I'm a genius, what can I say? It worked perfect. Whenever I do it like that, it goes against the frame and it's perfect. Remove the cylinder head cover, camshaft, and cam tensioner as described in this chapter. Cylinder head cover off. We've got the cam caps off. And look, there's the actual cams. That's pretty cool. I actually really like seeing this stuff in person. Like, right here in front of my face. It's kind of crazy. Right here, I'm taking out the valve shims. And now I'm taking out the cylinder head bolts. So she is loose. So here's our piston. Looking mighty grimy, I must say. Dirt and muck all over everything. Like, I can see dirt and grime down into the engine, like real far down in there, which is not the way it's supposed to be. Let's go look at the top of the engine. Look at that. Oy. Oh, well, I got that apart. Now it's time to check everything else out. I don't really know what to do yet, but we're on to that part.